So, yeah, so that's a PS4 power supply for you guys. Not a beautiful sight. There's another one there. At least it did, so you don't have to spray or anything. So I'll dump this into a bucket of water, or I'll put it somewhere there until all this thing come off, and then we'll start to repair it, if it's fixable. Okay, it's nice and clean now. The power supply again. Let's just do some measurements. Okay, it's on the top side, so that's perfect. Okay. This might be an easy one. Okay, let's see here. This should be fine because I didn't. Those 2 years are fun, so most likely this is also fun because those two there. Okay, let's come to the bigger fuse. We've got nothing here. Don't tell me it just needs a fuse. Don't tell me this thing just needs a fuse. Okay, let's flip it over. There's really not much down here, so let's just see. We just tested this already. Oh, it doesn't just need a fuse. Okay, so something is up here. Usually it goes to which one is it again? Yeah, there we go. This goes somewhere here, I think. Okay. Yeah, okay, there's this bridge here, this bridge, so it usually goes here. Yeah, goes somewhere there. Okay, so we have a short here. Yeah. Let's remove this thing. Try to see if we can fix this thing up. Flip it over. Fingers. Okay. Okay, the culprit is out. Which one is this now? Okay, perfect. So I've got another one somewhere. Yeah, make it a little bit cleaner so the other one just slides in. Sometimes you need to add some flux on the wick in order for it to suck up this solder quickly. Power supply, yeah, I've got another one here. Okay, we have another one here, similar. I'll take this one out. Okay, let's test it first before taking it out, just to be sure. Okay, that's perfect. We might have a problem. Okay, we'll see. I'll remove it and I'll test it out on there. Because when those things are onto the circuit, sometimes might get different. You might get different readings. So okay, that's off. Let's see. Usually put the negative on the top one, positive on the right side. And when you do this, you need to make sure, okay, when you look at your multimeter, the reading has to be stable. It shouldn't be switching or going up or something. Okay, in this case, single. Okay, let's check the readings. Good. So 430, this shall be good. Where's the other one? Put this one in. Wait. Okay, that's in. Isn't that? That in place. It's looking good. What else? Okay, let's just see here. Do some testing. That's normal. Flip this ways. That's also okay. Okay, that's good. It's no shorting. Okay, hang on. Okay, no, that's fine. Okay, so that's okay over there. What else? Okay, it's basically just this. That's good. Okay, that's perfect. I need to compare here. No, usually just need to make sure about one thing here. Okay, so Okay, now I see what I'm having issue with this power supply. Yeah, I see why I'm having issue with this one here. Okay. So this tells me there's some missing connection from here to there. Something's not right on this power supply. Okay, that's fine. Oh no, the power supply was off. No, the multimeter was off. Still, there's an issue. Okay, I think that's why this thing is not working. So, judging from this, I think I figured out what was the problem with this power supply here. I'll try to fix this later. Okay, so let's come back here. We need the, how do you call this thing? Fuse. We need the fuse. Let's just see if this one here is working. Do we have a good working fuse here? Yes, we have a good working fuse. So let's take this one off. That's off. Can use a sucker, or we can use a wick to cut the area. That's cool. So now we have our new fuse. Okay, so we have a new fuse there. Let's try again. That's perfect. What else? Okay, let's just make sure, yeah. Let's flip. Okay, let's go here. I think this is it then. This thing is wet. Okay, so let's put this here. For this and see if it explodes or not. Okay, it's plugged in, we've got power. No explosion yet. Okay, are we gonna get a beep? Are we gonna get a light? What are we going to get now? Let's see. Okay. Yep. Oh, there's a disc even. FIFA 22. Okay guys, thanks for watching. PS4 is fixed. We'll have a happy client now. Okay, till next time. Oh, there are some other videos there of power supply repair on the channel. Please check it out.